here's a quick intro about myself. I am Bhumi and I run a small business Bohobling. And if you want to make fake cake boxes like this, then do watch this video. The first, let's start with mixing the resin, and then I purchased this mold from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. And this is my first time voice overing and I'm confused, I'm nervous, I don't know how to do it, but still I will try it. And I will leave it for 24 hours, and after 24 hours we will demold it. And this part is quite satisfying, this demolding one, and you have to do it very carefully, otherwise it can get cracks also. So here's the box is ready, and for the frosting part I use this acrylic putty, so it's exactly like the frosting one. And I just got distracted and I just start playing with it. I forgot that I was recording a video, so okay. Then we will fill it in a piping bag, and before decorating just practice a while in a paper, and then we will start with designing the cake, and yeah, we will do it. Just kind of giving like real cake vibe. And it's ready, the cake is ready, and I will show you guys some previous works. And okay, I forgot to tell you that if you want to add color in the frosting, you can just simply add acrylic color. Or so here's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.